And also there's another issue here. There's a woman I met in around about June 2019, and she was a senior associate at Hunt & Hunt Lawyers. Her name's Joanne Jenkins. We met once for coffee in the city. She told me how she charges for sex. She loves sex. She has sex at lunchtimes, in toilets and in hotels. She's married, has a couple of children. And I was actually aghast to hear that. I never ever saw her again. We did communicate a few years later when she saw a case decision, because she was working in the probate department. She said it was a bad decision. But I never slept with her after she sent me, we met, and around about the 5th of June 2019, she sent me unsolicited 9 sex videos of her doing sexual acts with gentlemen, explicit sexual.
But
and
you don't know that they were gentlemen, but...
Well, with the opposite
I'm kidding,
sex.
I'm sorry, I shouldn't, yeah.
Opposite sex, and even riding a dildo face onto the camera. Anyway, I kept that to myself, and I've kept that to myself in the back of my mind. But when they did what they did, I met Glenn Thexton a few years before that. He's had his own issues with the Victorian Legal Services Commissioner. And so last year, around about March, I told him about this, feeling very uncomfortable about knowledge that I'd found out in 2021 that she had now moved on to the Victorian Legal Services Commissioner and was the senior lawyer, the only basically operating lawyer under Howard Bowles in external administration. Now, this external administration department has access solely to the 3.2 billion public purpose fund to spend, and what they do is they send out notices and administer practices. So unbeknownst to me, she was working there. I said hello on LinkedIn in 2021. She cut me off and blocked me. So when this all transpired, I was thinking, well, if she's still there, she's most likely working under Howard Bowles, who contacted me in around about March 2021, telling me, you're selling your business, to which I responded, no, I'm not. He called me on the mobile. And it turned out that he was telling me that I either sell it or they will take it from me. So I was pre-warned. So I told Glenn all this, and I said, this Joanne Jenkins is a senior lawyer, from what I saw on LinkedIn. This is her face from Hunt & Hunt's website. This is her business card she gave me at Hunt & Hunt. She's now working at the Legal Services Board. And how can I be not a fit and proper person if she is seen as a fit and proper person? So what happened was that Glenn called, I'm saying this as a third person, but Glenn told me that he called Howard Bowles, who was absolutely shocked that I still had these videos of Joanne Jenkins, which then ended up in a follow-up email to Howard Bowles and a response from Mr. Wolf, partner at Baker McKenzie, saying that they know about these videos, the Legal Services Commissioner Fiona Lay. They're not going to do anything about it. She does work in that department. There was no issue about that it doesn't exist. And also to tell Glenn and for him to tell me that I never received a letter about this to this day, that if we agitated anymore and raised that issue, they would then have us charged criminally and would be in court.
So you're saying that
they protect their own.
Joanne Jenkins, who...
She's still there. And also in their letter, it said that Howard Bowles and her will not be working on Glenn's matter or my matter any further.
Because
after that letter, after
of a conflict of interest.
After they were called out, yes.
Okay.